On August 5, 2017, a routine 911 call in Salt Lake City turned deadly. Around 7:20 p.m., two bike squad officers with the Salt Lake City Police Department responded to a hang-up call at 731 South 300 East. While checking the area, they encountered a vehicle tied to an earlier shots-fired incident. Inside the car were several individuals, including 29-year-old Richie Antonio Santiago. After running background checks, officers discovered Santiago had active warrants and a history of fleeing law enforcement. When they tried to arrest him, he appeared cooperative, until he reached for a backpack. Despite warnings not to resist, Santiago suddenly pulled a firearm on the officers. The tense encounter escalated in seconds, ending in gunfire. Santiago was shot and killed at the scene. The bodycam footage you're about to see documents the entire encounter. Viewer discretion is strongly advised.
At the library.
Gotcha. Okay. That sucks. I'm sorry to hear that. What's up, man?
Nothing.
Okay. Have you got a driver's license? You just don't have it with you?
No. Well, yes and no.
What do you mean?
I have a driver's license out of Wyoming.
Okay.
But
it's valid?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm being honest with you.
No, I appreciate that.
I'm not sure. Murphy, M-U-R-P-H.
Got a middle name or initial? Perfect. Any warrants I need? What for? Anything felony?
I'm not sure. I don't know if it's a felony or not.
Okay. What would it be, or what's the charge? What?
It's a violation. Probation. Should bring it up.
Okay. 751 from 753.
It came back as no insurance?
It did. Hey, if you're not too far away, come back over here. I know you're en route to a call, but I'll need you for a minute just inside the gate.
Can I smoke a cigarette?
Please, yeah, go ahead. That's fine. I just got a car that was involved in a shots fired here that's occupied.
Shots fired?
This car actually was involved in shots fired just about a month ago.
What the hell? No, sir. I promise you.
I didn't say the suspects were using this. It was just involved. I haven't pulled up the actual full report and looking at it, but that's part of the reason that I'm stopping and talking to you about the insurance thing, as well as this car was involved, and I kind of want to find out if it was a victim car or what the involvement was, if that makes sense.
It's a possession.
Can I see that Horizon card right there?
No, this is my homie, Quinn's.
Okay. Does he know you've got it?
Yes, sir, he does.
Okay. What was his name again? I'm sorry?
Glenn.
Glenn?
Yeah, Glen. Is it two N's or one? I'm not sure. Two N's.
Is your homie in the back there?
No, he's not in the back.
We got a couple of homies though back there, huh?
It's a possession.
What's up?
So we can get the dog back real quick.
Get the dog where?
Back here.
Okay.
You plus you said we can smoke a cigarette.
Right, yeah. I didn't say you could get out of the car and smoke a cigarette.
I didn't want to do it with my niece right here in the car.
Okay.
I was just going to stand right here. So
yeah, I didn't see we got the little girl in there. So let's hold off on the cigarette then. Let's just keep the door shut. And
why? If you don't mind me asking, sir.
Because you're detained.
For what, though?
Because you're in the vehicle.
Oh, no, I literally live right here. I just got in the car, sir. Literally, I live right here with my mom. Can I please go get her and have her come out?
No.
Please, sir?
No.
Why not?
I've already told you no.
Please,
you're
sir?
detained. You're in the vehicle. You're going to stay right here.
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay.
sir. I'll be closing the door. Sure, please, can I close the door?
Why?
Because you told me to close the... I don't know, sir. I've just got really like bad anxiety, sir.
Okay.
I just got out of jail the other like 2-3 days ago, sir.
For what?
Because I ran from the cops.
Okay, what's your name?
Richie Santiago.
I'm sorry?
Richie Santiago.
Richie Santiago?
Yes, sir.
Where'd you run from the police from?
From up the street, sir.
Just around here?
Yes.
How come you ran?
Because I'm stupid.
Okay.
I'm really stupid.
Did
sir.
you have like warrants or something like that, or
No.
what? So you just went to jail for running?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds like it was
stupid.
kind of stupid.
Yeah.
Okay. No, and that's, I don't know if you overheard me telling the driver, but this vehicle was involved in a pretty serious crime a little while ago. So it's more the fact that I wanted to detain the vehicle, find out who's in it, what it's involved with, and everything like that. If you've got no warrants or anything like that,
No,
I'll double check your information and I'll get you out of here as quick as I can. I've got another officer that's literally about 10 seconds away and pulling up, and then that way I can get people's names and information. As long as you've got no involvement in this case that I've got pulled up on my computer.
And what case is that, sir?
It's a shots fired.
From where?
Here.
Oh, okay, for sure.
So that's why it's
yes.
concerning to me. I see a vehicle involved in the shots fired right here at this address. It's kind of one of those ones I go, nah, that's probably some people I want to talk to with, right?
Shots fired at this address, sir. I don't know. That's what they said to me about insurance. I don't know.
Right. Okay. Okay. Well, we'll try and clear that up as best we can. All right, sir, what was your name again?
Richie Santiago.
R-I-C-H-I-E?
Santiago. S-A-N-T-I-A-G-O.
S-A-N?
T-I-A-G-O.
A-G-O. Your date of birth, Richie?
12/13/89.
12/13/89?
89. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do me a favor, come around on this side. Hold on, bud. We're not getting there yet. Sit down. Relax.
Yes, sir.
We're going to keep driver and passenger right here, make sure everybody else stays there. We're going to double check these guys real quick, and I'm going to pull up the other case that I was talking about. How are you guys? All right, Richie, right?
Yes, sir.
Do me a favor. Let's go ahead and stand up now.
Please don't tell me I'm going back to jail, sir. Please.
Yep, you're under arrest.
Please, sir, please, hold on.
No.
No, I have really bad anxiety. No,
Okay.
no, I'm not going to resist. No, I'm not going to resist. I swear to God. I swear to God, I'm not going to resist.
Don't.
Oh, shit.
What have you got? Hands out! Hands out! Hands out!
Fucking hands! Shots fired! Shots fired! Let me see your hands! What's his name? Richie?
Richie, both, everybody out of the
Everybody in here, don't move!
out of the car, down on the ground, down on the ground, down on the ground.
Richie, hands out! We can help you out. We can help you, man. Hands out, and that's
her out of the car. Get her out of the car. Keep him covered. I'm going to check on the kid. Where? Who got shot?
My husband got shot, my husband.
Okay.
You didn't do nothing.
Get
You guys are wrong.
out.
There's a child
Out.
in the car.
He pulled a gun on us.
You guys had your gun trained down my daughter. He was up against my daughter. Richie! See your hands, Richie! He's dead! He's done! Killed him!
Back. Get these guys back right now. Stay, keep them an eye on them. They're in the car. We've got an injured party up front.
Bring over here. Bring your dog. Come over here.
Okay. Stay up with them. Get him out from that side. Okay. We're going to approach him and take him into custody. He did pull a gun. He's still moving. He's got a gun. Okay. Actually, he's still got a gun. I don't want to approach him. As far as I know, he's still got it. Let's just stay right here. Okay, we've got another person in the car. They're all okay. Watch your crossfire. Watch your crossfire. I'm coming up with you. Coming up with you.
I can see the gun. It's not in his hands.
Okay.
Gun's not in his hands. Do not move. Do not touch the weapon.
You move the gun. I keep him covered.
I got it.
Okay. Okay. I've got him covered. Let's.
You got
Yep.
extra cuffs? Here. I got cuffs.
Yep.
Who's got an hey? What's that? Who's got a?
Okay. Let's just pull it back. Let's not just touch it. Chris, that's you. That's where you stay. You stay right there with that. Nobody touches it. Nobody moves it.
We'll start with that all, and that's the...
Get this on.
Okay, we're going to put it right here. Is there a gunshot wound in the arm as well? Yes. Okay. Just cut right here so we can get the start to get on.
DOA 56 advised the suspect is in custody. So we'll be able to get this down.
Anybody got the shit to patch him up?
No.
Morgan's getting
Hold on. You should be coming this way.
Here, hold it.
Go ahead and flip them over and let's start CPR.
Okay.
Who's driving these vehicles?
Mine.
We need to get them out so medical can get in.
Hey, my truck's unlocked. Flip them over. Let's start CPR.
Which one's yours?
Silva,
Can I pull you?
are you okay? Are you sure? Double check yourself.
Thanks for watching. If you found this content informative, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. We cover real incidents and release footage for public awareness and discussion. Stay informed, stay critical, and stay safe. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.